Linking your bank account to Monster 2025 is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances effectively. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Access your account. Log into your Monster 2025 account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Select bank account linking. In the account settings, find the option for linking a bank account. This may be labeled as payment methods or bank account settings. Step 4. Enter bank details. Fill in the required information for your bank account. This typically includes your bank name, account number, routing number, and any other requested details. Step 5. Confirm and save. Review the information you entered for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. By following these steps, you should successfully link your bank account to Monster 2025. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.